You're watching a Satin Crystals and I Dig Crystals video. My name is Sheila Satin, and today I'm going to be talking about the pendulum and how to use it to check your clients' energy flows.
Hey my dear friends, Josie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. So in today's video I want to show you how you can use a pendulum to receive psychic guidance. You know, it's a simple technique, yes or no questions, and give you a lot of insights. You can ask about your career, you can ask about your life situations, you can ask about your relationship, and pendulums are quite accurate. You'll be amazed at, really the level of truth that comes through just the simple pendulum reading. Okay, so let's get ready.
And then put the pendulum in front of you, just like this. Now, wait till it stops wobbling. And then ask it to give you a no answer. So right away I see that it wasn't even in the video. Right away I seen it moving in a circle. So that's my no answer. And I ask it instead of telling it what answer.
Any type of pendulum. Today I'm going to use a quartz pendulum. So this is a quartz point on a silver chain and a silver ball at the end. Before you begin dowsing, you want to make sure that you're relaxed, you're balanced, you're calm, maybe even in a meditative state, so that you'll get an accurate reading.
Jangan lupa untuk klik like dan subscribe, serta klik tombol lonceng di sampingnya.